Hi everyone, we're obviously now in the recovery phase of our latest flooding event. Ex-Tropical Cyclone Alfred made its way to our region in the first couple of weeks of March. Throughout the event we had over 400 mils of rain in certain areas of our catchment, most notably up at Mount Castle, the top of the Laidley Creek catchment, and right across our region we had sort of in excess of 200 mils of rain, so it was certainly a significant event. Obviously this time around we had a lot more warning time to what we normally have in our flooding events. So the cyclone sat off the coast there for a number of days, which gave Council a really good opportunity to work with our agencies and be best prepared as we can. Overall we've had 144 roads that have been impacted across the region. A number of those now are back open and cleared. Look, a number aren't. We've still got making a number of assessments across the region. So we really do ask for everyone's patience. As our crews, we're working as fast as we can to get to all these locations, to make inspections, make them safe. The first part of the flood recovery will be the emergency work, so we'll try and get as many of our residents access to safe crossings and culverts and things like that to a usable standard. Council has established a flood recovery page on our website. I urge all our residents and community to head there to look up what might be the latest relief payments or disaster recovery payments that the state or federal government might be offering and you may be entitled to. Lastly, I want to say a big thank you to all of the Lockyer Valley community for all your efforts and cooperation through the event. Heeding the warnings, being as best prepared as I can ever recall for a flood event. Thank you for taking our messaging seriously. Thank you for following our disaster dashboard, our social media feeds, checking in on your neighbour, and then getting out in the cleanup and recovery and helping one another. It is fantastic to see.